Hello, this is Robert with Beyond 20. Today we're in version 5.1, and one of the great features that Cherwell recently released was the ability to test LDAP connections. They had a test LDAP tool that was installed, and it's under the program directory, then Cherwell Service Management Tools, and it's called Test LDAP. So if you're on a 2012 box, you can just search for the Test LDAP program and then run that directly there. So it's going to prompt you to log in, similar to the other Cherwell tools. So once you select the database and log in here, you'll be presented with the screen that allows you to fill in some basic information and select the correct LDAP service. And so I'm just going to go through some of these fields and what they actually represent. So starting from the top, the Windows ID right up here, this searches LDAP for the account in the field and then auto-populates with the account of the person logged into the workstation. Then if you click on the test button, it's going to take that account and verify in the LDAP service that account exists. In this case, we don't have an LDAP connection here that we're directly connected to, so I'm not going to go ahead and click the test button, but that'll confirm that we're actually able to get in there into the LDAP service to begin with. So you want to make sure if you have multiple LDAP services configured here that you're selecting the correct one on the drop-down list. And once that's selected, the Browse LDAP button, this runs a directory service browser and populates all the different objects in the LDAP tree. So you want to go ahead and click on Browse LDAP and then take a look at the search start. This displays the location of where the LDAP search begins, and then of course the search filter filters based off the syntax here of what we're actually going to have the initial filter be. So we're going to limit our directory tree just based off this basic search filter, and then of course there's some built-in filters we could add directly here. If we want to add the quick filter, we might want to go ahead and select and object category equals person, and then click add filter. So you want to be able to go ahead and update these as necessary based off the criteria. So this might be a great tool to help you figure out what these individual filters are going to be. If you have to have customers imported and you need to set up multiple Active Directory connections in order to get that done, you want to open up the Test LDAP tool and get all the filters built out ahead of time. This won't modify the existing LDAP service that was configured. This will just help you narrow down any other filter criteria items that you need to, and it'll also give you a good insight as to what the data looks like without having to actually import everything. So once you're ready, you just go ahead and click the search button, and that'll pull up all the information based off of where it's starting and all the different filters associated with the specific LDAP service that we selected above. And that's it. So thanks for watching. This is Robert with Beyond 20. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for other Cherwell tips and tricks. Thanks.